Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with the ice machine. This is my friend Ben Her. He is the chief engineer in this factory. So my friend, when did you buy this machine?
This machine was bought around 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yeah. And it starts working for more or less 9,000 hours. And
9,000 hours
yeah,
only.
Yeah, 9,000 hours. And it starts to malfunction.
So the machine breaks down after working for only 9,000
Yes.
hours.
And the indication in the PLC is compressor protection strip.
Okay, compressor protection strip. Okay. So what do you think is the reason for that problem?
The reason I think is the oil when it runs low.
This machine has no oil cooler.
No.
But we can see that it's a R22 system.
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the CBFI had a machine for the customer. It's an R22 system and it has no oil cooler. We all know that discharge temperature of the system is very high temperature.
Yes.
Also, the oil temperature is very high, almost over 100 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
And the oil goes back to the compressor without being cooled down.
Yes.
So the high temperature will slowly kill the quality of the oil.
Yes.
And the oil will be less and less quality after a long time.
Yeah.
So the machine worked for only 9,000 hours. That means the quality completely
Yeah.
the quality after 9,000.
Deteriorated. Yeah, deteriorated.
Okay. So the compressor completely broke down.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do everything. We clean all the condenser, but still nothing.
I remember you said CBFI sent one engineer here
Yes.
to change the compressor oil.
No, to check what is the problem,
Nah.
but he never solved the problem.
Of course, the problem can never be solved. The solution for the problem is to add one oil cooler or change the system into R404A.
Yeah.
Because R404A has lower temperature for the discharge. Okay. So if you have another chance, will you buy CBFI flake ice machine again?
It depends. If they will improve their system,
Okay.
then maybe somebody will buy it. But now, your machine that there is very good quality.
Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for your time.
This is the last recorded problem. That is around November 14, 2023.
Oh, yes.
And the indication says compressor protect.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
And this signal came from the exhaust valve, this one,
Okay.
and inside the motor winding. That is the one gives signal to trip the system.
Okay. And is that the error we were facing for all the time?
Yeah, all the
After 9,000 hours.
9,000
Okay. Yeah. So the original problem is oil. Yeah, we all know. Without good quality, without good oil quality, a machine can never really works. Hello, Ben He. Would you like to introduce the powerhouse to us again?
Yes. This place was called Powerhouse, where all the energy used in the plant came from this building. So we have three sources of power. One from the utility power outside. Other one is the generators, and one is the solar.
Solar power.
The utility power, we have two supply voltage because the plant need dual voltage, one 440 volts 3-phase and one 220 volts 3-phase. The 440 volts 3-phase was supplied by 3 units transformer, 250 kVA each one. And the 220 volts was supplied by 40 kVA transformer each 3 pieces also. And the generator is inside here.
Okay.
We have one 220 kVA 440 volts. And another one 150 kVA 440 volts also. And we have the small one, the 50 kVA 220 volts 3-piece also. We use this during power failure for our small equipment like lighting, small pumps, whatever we need in the plant when the plant is not in operational.
Yeah.
The power source came from this main switch. From the transformer, it came here, going to this, going here, and then distribute to all the facility. So when there is a power failure, we run the generator, it came from this side. But before it came here, because we have 2 generators, it will pass through this manual transfer switch. You can select which generator you need to use for your requirements.
Okay.
This panel, this is the one feeding the 20 tons ice maker, this CBFI, which is now
The
defective.
machine with a service time of 9,000 hours
Yeah,
only.
and it's now defective,
Okay.
so it's completely switched off.
Okay. So this is for the solar power.
The 30 tons is feed here and it's already switched on because it's now working. The solar power came from the plant. It goes on this
Yes.
box and then it connected to the grid.
Okay.
Our solar is a 2-unit 60 kilowatt capacity.
What is the maximum capacity when the solar power system work?
Last time, when there is so much sunlight, around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it generates 52 kilowatt for 1 unit.
Oh, 52
Yeah.
an hour. 1 unit.
Yeah. The other unit, it's not exactly the same because the location of some panel, it's not direct hit of the sun.
Yes.
So it depends on the position of the panel.
Okay. Okay. Ben He, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah.